welcome back to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm making Play-Doh.
Yeah, last time we made Play-Doh, we put it on the gas to cook it, didn't we?
Yeah.
This time we're going to do it without cooking. Do you think it's going to work?
Nah.
No? Should we try it? Okay. You'll need some more than that.
Yep. 3 pieces. 1. And then a big one is 3. More?
Yeah.
Can you get some more? Oh yeah. 4 pieces. Now 5. Now I am adding the sauce. It's just for food.
Okay. Put a little bit in there. Okay.
But it's all finished.
Right, mix it with your spoon. Right. Now add a little bit of oil in it. A little bit.
Okay.
Not all of it, just a little bit.
Happy?
Yeah.
Then mix. Now some more.
Add some more.
All of it?
More, a little bit more.
Now more.
More.
All of it?
No. That's it. Now add some water into that. A little bit at a time, okay?
Okay, one by one.
One by one. Right, now put that down and mix it.
Down, 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 la 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 la.
Okay, you need to add some more water, don't you?
Yeah. It's sticky.
Yeah.
All of it?
Not all of it, bit by bit. Okay, stop. Now mix it.
Here's the Play-Doh. Now I need make it to 2
Balls.
balls.
So this time we didn't cook it, did we?
Yeah.
Last time we cooked it.
Yeah.
So we're trying different ways of making Play-Doh at home, aren't we?
Yeah, and now the other one was real.
The other one was hot. This one, is it hot?
Nah, it's not hot.
It's not hot. Right, do you want to add some colour in there?
It smells nice.
Smells nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So I want to use green.
Green.
And use all the colour for this
Yeah.
Play-Doh. Right, relay. The
Yeah.
big relay. The crystal stuff?
Just put a little bit on.
Okay.
Okay. Put the lid back on. And now you have to get some more Play-Doh that we've just made and mix it.
Okay.
Mix that together with the green one.
Oh yeah.
You see? And now massage it in. Keep massaging it. So you know what you need now?
Yeah.
You need to add some flour on there, don't you?
Yeah, and it's so sticky. We can make it better. Dun 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 dun. Do it. Mom, it needs some salt. Some flour. This one is cool. Okay, cross our hands this way. Hey, that's my hand.
I like Play-Doh too.
Hey, you're not a kid.
I I am a kid.
No, you're not. But you're not a kid anymore.
I am a kid. I'm a big kid.
You're my mummy.
And mummies are not allowed to be kids?
No.
Am I not allowed to play with Play-Doh?
No, you're not. Hey! She's in danger! Get her to jail! She's playing with my Play-Doh! What's it got? These are my Play-Doh when I was there with my Play-Doh.
You made a hedgehog, squirrel, a lion, and a reindeer.
And